Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today. It's like an unboxing, even though I already took it out of the box because that just takes time. So today is the WAINLUX, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it is the laser engraver cutter machine. So basically when the Glowforge came out, I was like, oh my gosh, I want that, but the price point is just not affordable if that's not something you are going to do full time as like a small business or something. So this is a great alternative. Here it is, here's the front. You got your plug-in stuff and your power button, basically. It does come with all these little extra features, like for a roller. I think that's for if you get it holds your cup. You can order like attachment pieces for this thing. And it'll hold like a tumbler or a cup or something. So that's it. The USB plugs into there. Also a fan, because I know all the engravers, you're supposed to like either do it outside or with a fan attachment for chemicals, and it releases stuff when it's burning stuff. So anyway, I did my stuff outside when I played with this, but this is it with the little user manual. There is also tutorials on YouTube, and they sent me those as well to get started, like on your iPhone. So I'm so excited for this, you guys. So this actual machine came with this laser, styrofoam, and you'll know it's this laser because it has the orange shield right here. This nozzle, you can see the way that it looks. This is the 455 nanometer laser. And then they also sent me the laser, which is the 1064 nanometer. And you can see there's the laser right there. It does not have the orange shield. It also has a different foot in order to mark where your laser needs to be. So that is the difference between the two lasers, because there is different machine. They can do different things, or thicker material, cut thicker things, metal and stuff. It said this one was more for metal, to engrave, keychains, dog chains, stainless steel tumblers, stuff like that. But I think this one can do that as well. I haven't played with it in that sense, but I'm so excited to show you guys. It does come with the safety goggles to wear so you don't go blind in your retina. Comes with the power cord, super easy. It does come with all these tools, which I did not use. So you could like brush off stuff. Here's a USB if you want it there. So you could do like flash drive stuff. Like if you're an artist and you can draw and design, like say on a software, save it as a JPEG or something, you can upload it like that. This is I think a dry erase marker, and this is for, you are not allowed to laser stuff that is reflective. Glass, what else is super shiny, super metallic and reflective? You have to put a black layer of, I think, this, or there's specialty paper, pens, spray paints that you can put over your stuff, because the laser, literally just like the movies, it's gonna beam right off of that and go laser your house down. So make sure that you are not engraving anything that's super reflective. Here's the cord. It comes with these little they're kind of like thinner than chipboard, but definitely thicker than cardboard. I think it's a practice. It comes with these little skinny 3mm balsa woods, and that's it, guys. This thing is super lightweight. Like I can pick it up with one hand. It's not a giant Glowforge. It is 11.5 inches wide and 11 inches tall, minus this like bulging part right here. And you guys, I cut this. My first run, got a random pumpkin image off of Google and saved it to my file like a photo. And this is it. It pings back and forth until it does the entire image. For some reason in my head, I was thinking it was gonna go and be done in 2 seconds, but I think it took like 1 minute and 30 seconds or something like that. So it takes some time. That's not a lot of time, 1 minute really, but still, it in my head, I assumed a laser was like crazy uber fast. This has teeth, grooves, and slide it on. And this is the key to tighten it. And there's your laser, you guys. All you gotta do is plug it in these little holes, line up right here, and you plug in your power cord. That is it, you guys. I was so scared to use this thing, but it is so fun. I am so addicted, and I bought all the things from Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna show you guys a tutorial in my next video. So yeah, I will link this down below in the description box. There's the one with the orange, and then there's the one that cuts more product surfaces as well. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next crafty video.